Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2. This is May 0. I'm joined by T55. Sometimes as a viewers.
Sibashaya ngeviewers Steve.
Yeah. Viewers.
Manikeza 24 hours. Already.
What's about it?
Awona.
Bathi khali.
What's your puma mistake ngeke usayibona?
Yes, it's gone. It's gone.
Ngeke uyibona.
Angeke uphinde uyibone.
Ngeke uphinde
Njengoba bathi Pirates ibambe umbrella izole Rustenburg.
manje.
Basi 14
Sibo. Mina namuhla ngifuna ukadressa into ezithu kuphela namuhla.
Yes.
Ngifuna ukadressa le ndaba le Kaizer Chiefs bathi yona isidlula ngama-goal.
Yes.
Yangikwatisa lento le Bram.
Too much.
Kaizer Chiefs ayidluli ngama-goal wa-next.
Yes.
Last season Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Beyina 93 trophies.
Yes.
Iwini trophy this season angisho
Yeah.
Nedbank.
Yeah.
Bana 94.
Yeah.
Thina last season besina 89 trophies.
Yes.
This season is winner 2.
Yeah.
Sina 91.
Yes.
So bashiya nga 3.
Pen.
So ngitshela bonke abogogo nabantu abakhulu nabantu abancane abafike Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
Bayekela ukuthusela abantu abanele ukutshela ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs idlula ngama-trophy ngathi basidlula ngama-trophy. Basidlula nga-3 trophies kuphela. Badlula nga-3 trophies kuphela. Ngiyayivala. Ngiza ngale ndaba le ukuthi basiphi elinye igama elifuna bathi thina si-Arsenal. So ngicela ukubetshela ukuthi igama le-Arsenal salamukela. It's an honor for us to have that name. One of the biggest teams in the world.
Yes.
So Arsenal, we are Orlando Pirates. Arsenal is fine.
Yes.
Yangithola.
Yes.
Si Arena.
Yeah.
Si Amstel.
Yeah.
Futhi si Amstel.
Yeah.
Si Arsenal.
Yeah.
So siyabonga.
Yeah.
Khona manje Orlando Pirates is doing well.
Yes.
We are cruising very nicely.
Yeah.
Mawungabheka khona manje mawungathatha ifoni kwakho kulo wabona ukuthi ubana alida kule lokho lena Orlando Pirates
noma besibizwa abontombi kayise
and then lela ngeke lisebenze lela le week
nikeza amandla
le week abalela ngelunge ithi ngokutshela into one Bram Mongathi abheka iOrlando Pirates into ezenzayo yenza imhlolo where i-team le bathi yona is a so-called big team.
Yes.
Beyikuphi lesikhathi lesana ama-team amancane athatha ama-trophy ngokulandelana. So big team beyikuphi lesikhathi lesana ama-team amancane ahamba yodlala i-CAF. I-team enkulu so big
Kaizer Chiefs.
Beyikuphi ama-team amancane athatha ama-league ethamsini beyikuphi. So namuhla ngiyalikhatha lento leli gama leli namuhla. Officially sayibhena lento leli. Chiefs is no longer a big team. It's a past.
It's done.
It's everything about them is history. It's
done.
Khona manje sisebenza into zamanje mfowethu kunama smartphone kune abo iKaizer Chiefs ithathe ileague lesikhathi kusasebenzisa ama 310. Emuva leni. Khona manje sesisebenza ngento zamanje. Kunama touch screen sebenzisa ama Apple 17 and stuff. Yangithola. So ngifuna ukuzivala namuhla ngifuna ukuzirap because of ngiyeza ukuthi wena masiluko siyabukela siyazivelela abantu bakhulu ngithi ngizivale ngizirap ngizifake endaweni wale ngicela uku yangithola
address them.
Ngis-address because if ngeke ngis-address you-address abantu. I'm the first person ukuthi ngis-address. Congratulations to our coach scheme to rotation sakhe. Mbothuma mfana wami I love you boy. Usathe into encane boy. Ukuthi singampheleli inhliziyo. Usathe into encane usenza ama mistake wakhe uzoba right. We know ukuthi masefomini uyenza izinto. Yangithola. So onke ama supporters we must rally behind our team, rally behind our boys. Sibe patient nabafana sibathande. Come Saturday sabe silana futhi esikotini 33 point labana baya le CAF bayabuya
Samina Friday
nebabuya bethela siku number 1 sesiyabashiya manje yangithola
Opening again.
sesiyabavulela
sebakhala kahle ke
khona manje bayahamba ngisho bayale bayobuya yabona yonke into enzakala ku South Africa fanele iqale ngathi iqala prime istarless afuna le starless qale ngathi so fanele ukuthi ube thina kuqala sisithatha ifima yolusa into ingasithatha yangithola and khona manje yabona mthuthu babhizi bayasiminyela they are running behind Mamelodi Sundowns into wasabona sithathi kahle abantu
is a GNU.
I don't understand ukuthi why because of they have to support they have to rally behind us but even though asinandaba nabo let them go to Mamelodi Sundowns bathi abayifunela Soweto why bangafuni kanjani but asikho lapho into mina engicela ukuyivala ngakhona engicela ukuyivala ngayo ukuthi wonke umuntu ofevi Orlando Pirates ukuthi ningathuki machita we must rally behind our players yonke into esiyenzayo sizithembile sazi ukuthi senzani icoachara yethu yonke into ayenzayo we must rally behind icoachara yethu ne management yethu and then the last thing futhi Mr Mackenzie ngisabuya futhi mfowethu sicela iEloprey nibhaloyi 757 Paloy 110 or 200 and something passengers seaters sifuna ukuya eAmerica baba le ndaba yakho le abantu abayi4